Hello, and welcome to Luo English Dictionary channel. In this channel, we teach you the Luo language. In today's video, we shall teach you how to introduce yourself. So you will say your name, say your age, say what you do, and all that in the Luo language. So let us go. So this is how you introduce yourself. You say, hi, my name is, for example, let's use an arbitrary example. My name is Atieno. You say, Oyaore, Nyinga en Atieno. Hi, my name is Atieno. Ber, Nyinga en Atieno. Hello, my name is Atieno. Ber, Nyinga en Atieno. Hi, my name is Atieno. Adak Kisumo. I live in Kisumu. Ber, Nyinga en Atieno. Adak Kisumu. Hello, my name is Atieno and I live in Kisumu. Then one thing you might say is whether you're married or not. And if you want to say whether you're married, then in the Luo customs, you have to say where your husband hails from. So if Atieno is married, you say, Atedo Kano. Okay? That means I'm married to a person who hails from Kano. Atedo Kano. Ber, Nyinga en Atieno. Atedo Kano. An ja higni piero adek. I'm 30 years old. An ja higni piero adek. I'm 30 years old. And then the last thing you can say when introducing yourself is where you work. If you want to say you're a teacher, for example, you could say, An atiyo tich mar puonj. Atiyo tich mar puonj. So that gives you an idea of who you are, where you come from, whether you're married, how old you are, and the type of job that you do. That gives you a broad way of introducing yourself, and it's very thorough, it will be very professional, and you can use it in every meeting you go to. I want you to pause this video and use this template to introduce yourself as you practice with a mirror. And then after that, you can practice with a real person just to build your confidence. I hope this will give you some work to do today, and I will see you in the next video. Please click the like and subscribe button. Oh, sasa utachukua ile ya kwanza na mix na hiyo, alafu ndio tunaanza. Ati? Utachukua ile ya kwanza nyenye ni stop na una combine hizo mbili. Alafu hapa ndio unaweka tadalululing. Sawa.